So I forgot to mention that it has a very good 360-degree camera setup. The only goofy thing about it is this. I can't even look at it. Oh my God, that throws me off to the nth degree. I thought that Lexus had one that was gimmicky, but that, what? I can't even see the driver's side. What is the point of that? And then, I mean, that's helpful, but I mean, come on. Newly opened at the end of 2022, Johnson Kia Annapolis is committed to providing you with your brand new Kia with the best sales and service team. Check out johnsonkiaannapolis.com for all of their newest inventory. Anyways, so yeah, here we are in the kind of, oh my God, I forgot the shit again. I swear I'm not doing a bed, I just really forgot the plate. Okay, once again, here we are in the pretty premium Kia EV6. And I will admit that I have driven these before. I just have not driven the all-wheel drive version. The last one that I drove was the rear wheel. I have not been able to experience the full might of the all-wheel drive battery operated vehicle. Okay. All right. I mean, it's not the GT, but it's still 4.5 seconds quick. And it's really all you need. It's really all you need. It's quiet. It's very quiet. I love how quiet this girl is. She's a quiet gal. The motors are quiet. The interior is quiet itself. Yeah, I am genuinely obsessed with how quiet this thing is on the inside. There's a bit of tire noise, but by and large, really quiet. Really comfortable, gorgeous kind of ride, and really, you know, sturdy, pretty sturdy steering. You can tell that it's electronic, of course, but it's actually pretty sturdy in the way that it handles. All right, let's do some more dynamic driving, shall we? Oops. Okay, that was pretty fun. You know, driving the Ioniq 6 last time I drove an EV, I was kind of underwhelmed by the way that it performed, especially the way that it handled. I'm hoping that, you know, this will kind of be a little bit better, even though this is considered an SUV and that one was considered a mid-size sedan. The marketing team really, they really know how to do it, I guess. But so far, I like the way that I can kind of not see the hood. Kind of gives it more of I have a broader view of the road. It kind of squeaked a little bit around that corner, but it didn't do terrible. I can't even for the life of me remember how the Ioniq 5 did. Like I really can't remember if it did well or not. I think maybe it did okay. I mean, it did better than the Palisade, and anything did better than the Palisade, but I cannot remember. All I remember is that the safety features like the lane keep assist, the lane follow assist, they were very aggressive, and I've definitely turned those off for this portion of the video. There does seem to be a bit of wobble even around the slightest bit of corner, even at the speed limit. 60. Yeah, again, not really glue you to your seat, but it's still fun. And I like to have fun. We like to have fun here. I like to have fun. I'm having fun. Okay, I'm gonna hit this corner pretty fast. Here we go. All right, 50, 60, here we go. And a really tight turn. Ooh, whoa. Oh. You know, I don't know. It was okay. I think it was better than the Ioniq 6, which is surprising. here we go. We're gonna do it again. Gonna go around this bend. Whoa! Oh my God. This thing is a pontoon boat. I really hope that the GT has a better suspension because I was really leaning to the left when I took that turn. Like, scarily so. Yeah, that was, I don't know about her. I think it's better than the Ioniq 6 though, I gotta be honest. It's at least a bit more peppier around corners, and I didn't really feel a whole lot of like understeer or oversteer for that matter. I think it was just, it's just heavy. Where the Ioniq 5 and 6 did not have active sound design, the Kia does. I hate it. I feel like it sounds like a stormtrooper taking Molly or like acid or something. So silly. So what I want to focus on more in this video, especially the driving portion, is the different driver assist features that this comes with. So this being the GT line, you know, it does come with basically all of the same features that the top trim does. It just doesn't have the, you know, 3.2 second 0 to 60. Bleh. It does come with the Highway Driving Assist 2 that is helped along by not only the cameras, but also the navigation system and the GPS locationing device, whatever you want to call it. It's helped out by the GPS. I'm trying to be funny and it's not landing. You do have to be going under 95 miles an hour. You do have to be going over 55 miles an hour. And you do have to have your hands on the steering wheel, which I think is just kind of gimmicky. It's like, if it's got the ability to basically position itself in the lane, which it's doing very well, you know, why should I have to have my hands on the wheel? Why do I need to do that? You know, you can literally, in the setup mode, while you're driving, no less, turn on the Highway Driving Assist and then the Highway Lane Change Assist, which again, I mean, it's cool in the Tesla, but I just kind of think like in here, it's just like slightly gimmicky because you still have to have your hands on the steering wheel. Like, watch this. Okay, I mean, it's reading all of the cars on the road, and it did it. It did it. And then it gives you a reticle on the heads-up display showing you that you're going to be taking a left into or a right into whatever lane that you're getting into, and then it will show you a all speed ahead kind of symbol on it. The other thing about the heads-up display is that it like shows you this augmented reality kind of view of not only the blind spot, which I do appreciate, but it also shows you an augmented reality view of the car that's coming into your lane or exiting your lane. And it's like, if you're supposed to be paying attention in all fronts, why are you showing me on the heads-up display that a car's coming in the lane? I mean, shouldn't I already know that? Shouldn't I be paying attention? Hello? Anyone? I mean, it keeps it in the lane fine. It does need a little bit of help around the corners, but I'm gonna bump it a little bit and see if it will let me change lanes without holding the wheel. Nope, you have to have your hands on the steering wheel. Oh, God, it does it so fast though. It does it so quickly. That was sketch. What's the point? Well, after that long highway driving of me not actually driving, I am ready to take a nap. I'm actually ready to go get some food because I'm pretty hungry. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you to Johnson Kia Annapolis for sponsoring today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so that you're notified when I drop a new video. Final thoughts. Out of like all of the EGMP platformed, you know, Hyundai Kias, this is the one that I would probably buy just because of the way that it looks. I mean, because they're all technically the same in terms of the platform, and in terms of output, you know, there might be 10 or 20 horsepower difference here and there, but I mean, I like the way this one looks the most. And especially if it's gonna come out with the GT model that goes absolutely bonkers, bananas, crazy, I like that. I enjoy that. I think some things that could be improved upon are probably the, you know, the handling, and the handling. You know, I'm not gonna set expectations for the battery. I mean, I think the battery is getting better. I mean, you know, for a highway range of like 230 miles, I mean, we're not fully there yet, but we're getting there. I also think that the highway drive assist is kind of gimmicky, especially if it yells at you. Look, I get it, like DOT regulations and all that, but I just think that like that whole thing is just kind of gimmicky. It works well. I mean, it works very well in practice. You know, it keeps you in the lane. But yeah, other than that, I mean, I love the way that it's laid out. I'm not the biggest fan of this 2-for-1 button special that they've got going on the dashboard. It's not my favorite. But other than that, I do love the way that it looks. I love the way that it's laid out. Fight me, but this is the best Kia interior that they have ever made. Period. It's the truth. Truth. All right, well, I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna go grab some food, but thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, see you next time. Bye. Hey Sparks, thanks for watching today's video. Do you want more Sparkplug TV content? Then you can choose one of these 3 options right over here. The middle button is to subscribe to my channel, so please do that. Right over here. These 3. I can't see them in real life, but they're right here.